Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's create our flavorful cooking liquid by combining 1 cup of chicken broth, 1/2 cup of tequila, 1/4 cup of lime juice, 4 minced garlic cloves, and 2 tablespoons of Smoky arriba seasoning in your slow cooker. Give it a good stir to make sure everything is well mixed. You'll know it's ready when you can smell that amazing combination of citrus and garlic. Now, place your 3 4-pound pork shoulder roast right into that aromatic liquid. Make sure it's nicely submerged. This is crucial because we want every bit of that meat to soak up the flavors. If needed, press it down gently to ensure it's properly covered by the liquid. Let's talk about the cooking process. Set your slow cooker to high and let it work its magic for 6 hours. You'll know it's ready when you can easily pierce the meat with a fork. It should practically fall apart with minimal resistance. If you're using a different slow cooker model, you might need to adjust the time slightly. But the fork test never lies. By the way, since many of you ask about this pressure cooker that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Time for the fun part. Transfer your cooked pork to a large plate. Using 2 forks, start shredding the meat. It should pull apart effortlessly, almost like pulling cotton candy. You'll know you're doing it right when you see the meat separating into tender, juicy strands. Return all that beautifully shredded pork back to the slow cooker. This step is important because it allows the meat to soak up even more of that delicious cooking liquid. Let it sit in there for about 5 to 10 minutes. You'll notice the meat becoming even more flavorful and moist. For the tortillas, warm your corn tortillas either over an open flame for about 30 seconds per side, or if you prefer, in the microwave or oven. When you see slight charring on the edges, if using flame, or when they're perfectly pliable and warm, they're ready to go. Finally, it's assembly time. Layer your warm tortillas with generous portions of that juicy shredded pork. Then top with sliced jalapeños, diced onions, a dollop of guacamole, crumbled queso fresco, and a sprinkle of fresh chopped cilantro. The perfect taco should have a nice balance of all these toppings. You'll know you've got it right when you can see a bit of each ingredient peeking through. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one. Bye.